Kid Wiz Channel. Let's learn together.
Adam's farming dream. In a small village, there was a little boy named Adam. He loved helping his father on the farm. Adam liked planting seeds, watering plants, and seeing vegetables grow big and strong. One day, Adam told his father, "I want to be a farmer and grow food for everyone." His father smiled and said, "That's really wonderful, Adam." Adam thought about his dream. He imagined having big machines and using cool technology on the farm. He wanted to grow the best food for people all around the world. As Adam helped his father, he learned many things about farming. He dreamed of making the farm better and helping more people with healthy food. And even though he was a little boy, Adam believed that one day he could be a farmer with amazing technology, growing the best food for everyone. The end.
Thank you for watching. Come back again.